How to buy SwarmAI token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X accounts and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 2 hours ago and increased by 4,000% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 6 in the base section. Now, to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address, open your Bitget wallet. For that, now go to your wallet and try to select the base as a network from here. As you can see, now after that, click on this plus icon and paste the token in the search bar. Now click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called SwarmAI. Now after you find it, what you need to do is just click on it. As you can see here, just click on it. Now click on swap, switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token in a while. As you can see, now after that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy SwarmAI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.